Hey, I'm Kyle, and this is Eric. We're out here at Glen Helen Raceway today, showing you some of the most popular motorcycle ramps that we have at Chaparral Motorsports. This one here is a nice one. So this is a nice, sturdy, solid piece of aluminum that has been cut in half, obviously, and then a nice, sturdy hinge has been put on it. It's got a snap here at the top that keeps it from accidentally flapping open. Eric's going to give us a measurement here real quick. 3 foot 11 inches or so, so just about 4 feet as far as the working in half length of this thing. So we're looking at about 5.5 inches of width between the two rails here. So now we're going to go ahead and open this thing up. As you see, it has a nice little carry handle here, so it's nice and balanced. You can carry this nice and easily. We're going to open the flip strap there that keeps it closed so it doesn't accidentally open up on you. We're going to set it in place. You're going to notice a couple things. We have a nice rubber tongue here to protect your truck, number one, and number two, to keep the ramp from slipping out. You've also got a rubber piece down there at the end that allows you to be able to make contact to the asphalt if you're on asphalt and to keep it from slipping as well. Obviously in the dirt, it's not going to perform that great. So again, you have 5.5 inches of width between these two rails to be able to wheel your bike up into the truck. So the load capacity of this ramp is 400 pounds. Now, due to the width of this ramp, this is primarily a dirt bike ramp. Again, rated at 400 pounds. I really do like the louvers that have been pressed into the center here. That's going to give your bike nice traction as it's coming up the ramp. Total length of the ramp, he's going to go up there to the top. What do we have as a total length? 7 foot 6.5 inches. Now, the fact that this is longer than 6 feet is going to make it a great contender for the lifted pickup truck that we have right over here. Moving on over to this lifted F250, you can see that the angle of the ramp isn't quite as steep as it is on some of the ones that were shorter. It is still a pretty steep angle, and if you were running a truck like this, I'd probably put the tires in a ditch or find some sort of hill in order to unload on. Here it is mounted on an F250 that has about 6 inches of lift on it. As you can see, it's not quite as steep as an angle as we saw on some of the shorter ramps, so this is a good contender for those of you that have lifted trucks that haul your dirt bikes around. Again, folds in half to about 4 feet, so when it's in the bed of your truck, it's taking up quite a bit less space than a ramp that doesn't fold. I'm Kyle Bradge from Chaparral Motorsports. Thanks for tuning in today. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.